How to make private server on Roblox. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Roblox. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged into your account, it will land you on this page. In here, tons of different games will be available to you. For now, you can head over to any one of it. Let me move into Blade Block. Once you are in here, click on this person icon. The option of create private server will be available to you. Simply click on it. Now in the server name, you have to enter the name for your private server. Once you have entered the name, click on buy now. Well, you have successfully purchased the Blade Block private server. Click on customize if you want to. Now you can simply click on join. The Blade Block private server game will open and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can create private server on Roblox. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.